Hey guys! If you want to know how to open the developer console in CS2, this video is for you. With the console, you will be able to change a lot of parameters in your game and execute any command. So first of all, we will need to go into the game and click at the settings button at the top left of the screen. Now go into Game and search for the Enable Developer Console option. By default, you will have it disabled, just change it. Now we want to set a key so we can open it whenever we want. This option is at the keyboard, mouse category, or you can search it instead. Click at the Toggle Console option and it will automatically redirect you. Now right here you can set any key you want. I highly recommend you not to put a letter or number because you will automatically open or close it by mistake while playing or using a command. In my case, I will open it with the dot. That's it. Now just press the button you've set to open it. And you can put any command, for example, I will show my FPS. And press the same button to close it. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks.